Now see the problem number 2. Find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to 9x, x equal to 2, x equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. Okay, y square equal to 9x, that is a parabola right open. Okay, that curve is a y square equal to 9x. The line equal to x equal to 2, x equal to 4. The last one equal to x-axis, that means y equal to 0. This is the x-axis, y equal to 0. The closed region, this is the closed region. The upper curve equal to y square equal to 9x. The lower curve is y equal to 0. The limit equal to 2 to 4. Okay. Solution. The given curve is a parabola y square equal to 9x and the line x equal to 2 and x equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. The given diagram symmetrical about x-axis and the passing through the origin So area equal to integration of a to b modulus of y2 minus y1 into dx. That is equal to integration of 2 to 4 modulus of 3 into root x minus 0 into dx. The lower curve equal to that is a line y equal to 0, upper one equal to square root of 9x. Take to the y equal to square root of 9x, that means 3 into root x, 3 into root x. Okay, modulus of 3 into root x equal to 3 into root x. That is equal to integration of 2 to 4 3 into root x into dx. That is equal to 3 into integration of 2 to 4 square root of x into dx equal to 3 into integration of 2 to 4 x power 1 by 2 into dx. 3 into integration of 2 to 4 x power 1 by 2 into dx. Take the integration of x power 1 by 2. Okay. Take the integration of x power 1 by 2. That means 3 into x power 1 by 2. Take the integration x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. The limit equal to 2 to 4. 3 by 2 take the reciprocal. That is equal to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancel. Okay. 2 into x power 3 by 2, the limit equal to 2 to 4, that is equal to 2 into x power 3 by 2, the limit equal to 2 to 4. Substituting the upper limit x equal to 4 and minus of lower limit x equal to 2. So 2 into 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2 equal to 2 into 4 power 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 into 2 power 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 into 4 power 1 by 2 minus 2 into 2 power 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 4 into root 4 minus 2 into